Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and mixing quickly so the leaveners stay active. In a bowl, combine 2 cups flour with 1 tsp baking powder, 1/2 tsp baking soda, and 1/2 tsp salt. Whisk dry to aerate. In another bowl, whisk 1/2 cups milk or buttermilk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 2 tablespoon oil. Once the liquids are smooth, make a well in the dry mix and pour in. Gently fold until once the dough is combined, you shape quickly because this is a quick bread method, not yeast bread. Turn the shaggy mixture onto a lightly floured surface. Fold it over 3-4 times, do not knead, so structure forms. Transfer into a greased loaf pan or shape-free form on a sheet. Smooth the top with a wet spatula. If you want seeds or herbs, press them into the surface now so they stick. Let rest 5 to 10 minutes while the oven reaches temperature. You bake immediately at 220 degrees C. The high heat gives a good oven rise. Place the loaf on the middle rack and bake 25-35 minutes until golden and a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Once done, cool for 10 minutes in the pan, then transfer to a rack to prevent sogginess. Slice after another 10 minutes. If your loaf is dense, make sure your baking powder or baking soda is fresh. Avoid overmixing next time, and consider an extra 3-5 minutes in the oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.